Okay, guys and gals, that's what we have. Oh shoot! All right. So here's our Christmas lights. That we're going to test, and currently we're at 12.48 volts. We're going to turn it on. See how it drops down to 11.6 volts? That's because it's on the 12. But look, we have our Christmas lights on off our officially first power brick that is running a power inverter off of 8 D-cell batteries. 8 D-cell batteries. And we're lighting up Christmas lights. This is only the beginnings, folks. And again, it is alarming because it's past 12 volts. Now, our second concept to make our power brick or power device more robust, we're going to have to now move over to the parallel part. So we're going to have to take more D batteries. Yeah, you're about to go to sleep. More D batteries, put them in parallel, so now we have a greater capacity so the voltage won't drop so quickly. It's dropping because we have only one of these cells is taking the load of everything. And it's impressive to believe that we have D-cell batteries lighting up Christmas lights. Isn't that remarkable? On our first power break. Now, I'm going to I ordered some clips that I was going to get rid of these temporary ones so we can have something more permanent. They were supposed to arrive today. Unfortunately, they did not arrive today. So I'm going to have to wait for those to come so I can get rid of these clips and we'll do a more permanent solution. And then I'm still trying to find a box to put it all in. I may have to go ghetto fabulous and just find something from the dollar store and just throw it all together. But we have our initial 12-volt bank. Yeah, be quiet. We have an initial 12-volt bank. Now we just have to work on capacitance and to make it be able to be more robust and be able to run longer. But we're able to run lights, folks. You should be proud of yourselves. Electronics, building your first power brick. Now we can expand on what we want to power, how we want it to power, and we can either actually tap off certain knobs to decide, do we want to run USBs? This power inverter has an option to charge USBs and regular 112 devices. And how we want to go from here. But this is the basic of what we need to know to move forward on building our own personal power brick. Or, yes, if you want to call it that. So, congratulations everyone. If you're following along and you got your own working. If not, follow along with us and we'll build one together. We've already got past the 12-volt mark, and now we're going to build capacitance, and we're going. I have on the video farther than that. I also have other devices that I'm going to connect to it to make it a little bit more robust. Instead of having to constantly use the meter, I have one device that should be able to monitor the voltage. I think I have it. I never know what shows up. And then from there, we're good. So we have tested our first 12-volt brick. Congratulations, everyone. This is our Raw Tech World. I'll be back with you soon. Be good.